Scan your attendance. Cover the chapter 3, chapter 3, and how you, for example, you have a data set. For example, you have a data set. So in this data set, in the data set, you need to obtain the mean and median of the data. Okay, and then let's say we have number 9 here, data set number 9. It's set by 99. Mean you replace the 9 with the 99 numbers. And then you compute the mean and median, and then look inside which measure of center work better there. Okay, and then you need to explain your answer. Okay, is there any different when the 9 become 99? Okay, and then for the data set in 1.2, the mean is neither central nor the proper mean this result. Okay, so you can share your screen for your solution for this question number 1. Okay, want to share, so you can click and share your screen and solution. The priority for the name will call for those that submit, nak submit your tutorial 1. How your data data. Okay, so I will sharing the solution. Nanti later on I will open the link. Nanti hantar tutorial 3 ni. So hari ni saya share teruslah the jawapan. So dalam tutorial 3 ni, tutorial 3 ni, when you have this kind of question, macam mana you, for example, in the question ni, and saya terus go to the answer lah. Lambat lah because the line is not good. Okay, let's say you ada data. So you ada data tadi. I say first, you obtain the mean and the median data. You campur lah semua data-data yang diberi tu. Data set So you have the data set. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 9. Okay, you plus semua. And you divide by 9. And because you look on the number of your data is 9 kan? Open 9. Okay, so the sample of data is 9. So altogether 45 divided by 9. So the mean is 5. Okay. Then, okay, the median, median because the data you have ganjil, data ganjil, so you need to use the formula n plus 1 for looking the median. So n plus 1, 9 plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 5. Okay, equal to 5. So the median ni is the data ni, you tengok where is the location of your data. Tapi in this tutorial number 1, question is already in that range lah. Tak nampak this slide. Okay, lambatlah dia punya ni. Okay. Tadi ada here dah 99 tu. So you look carefully. So the mean now become 15. Become 15. So This is what we call extreme value or outliers. Sample of 7 different species of rock and .x2 hash. The following table show the time to hash in a day. So ada yang hash 6, 7, 11, 6, 5, 5 and 11. So find the mean. Okay, this one is an ungroup data. So ungroup data. So ungroup data you campur je lah, tak payah you buat distribution table tu you kena clear. If you have data yang ungroup tu tak payah dah the number you total up, lepas tu di divide berapa your data 7. So 51 divide 7. Okay, median, when you have the median, okay, to find the median you need to arrange. So first you arrange in increasing order. You screen order 5 5 buat satu and then you have the 6 6 7 11 11. The number of your data is 7. 7 plus 1 divide by 2, so it will be 4. So the data nombor 4. Nombor 4 you tengoklah 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So 6. So be careful lah when you interpret your median data and your median data. Be careful lah. The position, so let's say you say, oh, the 4 is my median data. No, the 4 is the location, a range of your data. So the location will determine where is your median. Bila you have the mode, then you need to build simple frequency distribution. Why? Because when you build the frequency distribution, it's much easier to look which data is the most frequency. So if we have 3, so your mode will be 5, 6 and 11. So because you have so the highest of your frequency distribution. Okay. This okay, we have some network problem. Putus lah. Sorry sikit. Okay, sekarang ni we look okay, let's this, and then you need to find the mean. Total up all your you need to arrange the median. So you arrange it increasing order. You look on your data and your data. So it start with 19, 19, 20, 23.2, 23.2 until 57. 57. And then use the formula to locate your data median. So you have 10 plus 1 divided by 2. So the location will be in the middle, the position 5.5. So you go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5.5. So you have two data set here. So you take 23.2, these two, 23.2, 23.2 data set. These two data set, you take these two data set and you plus this data set and divide with 2. So your median for this data set is 23.25. Okay. And what else you need to find the mode? So the mode you build simple distribution. So we can see this. Here your mode is 2019. 23.19. Okay, so for any question? And the tutorial 3. So if no question, then I go to the next question. Okay, the next question in number 4 data. So the data set about Association Wrestling Champion year 1984 until 2008. Okay, so you collect data now. So you collect data from 1984. Kan, you suka kan? For example, your team, your favorite team football kan? So tengok lah 1984 Piala Dunia, who is the champion? So champion 84. Iowa from the data, okay, from the data, you need to look on average for this champion, the average of champion by year. So you tengok, determine the mode of the data. So the mode of data, you tengok je lah. The mode of data kan. Mode of data ni. So you look on you tally. For example, you have Iowa, Arizona, Oklahoma, and your first column. First column table ni you list all the champion. So the champion you have the Iowa, and then whether it would be appropriate to use either the mean or median as a measure of center. So if you look on these three, so you have 5 kan? 5 ungrouped data. So this is your qualitative data and qualitative data. So you said that the data values are 5 champions. Data value are 5 champions. There is no way to compute a mean or median for such non-numerical data. Thus it will be not appropriate to use either mean or median here. The mode is only the only measure of center that can be used for qualitative data because you have non-numerical data. So tak payahlah. So tak sesuai for this kind of data. You want to find the mean and the median. And so you boleh interpret if you have this kind of data. So the suitable measurement you can use only mode. So it's suitable using the mode. Okay, next. Okay, you go to question number 5. In the question number 5, you have data, group data. So you have group data about the days of maturity, the frequency of the data and the class mark. The class mark is the class mark. Okay. Lower mid, lower upper limit. Okay. Okay, so we have a data of frequency distribution for group data. For the group data, the first 2 columns of the following table provide a frequency distribution using limit grouping. They use limit grouping. So for the days for opportunity of 40 short-term investment found in barren, and then the third column show the class marks. So they use the class mark. 34.4, 44.5, 54.4, 64.5, 74.5, 84.5, 94. Okay, and then you have the frequency. So what you need to find, use the group data formula to estimate the sample mean, median, mode, and sample standard deviation of the ripple lain sikit lah. For example, if you want to find the mean, so you use the total number of your F plus with the X and divide with the N. So you tengoklah So this is your midpoint you. Class mark ni dia panggil midpoint juga lah sebab we need to use the midpoint. Use the midpoint. Lepas tu okay, so settle untuk mean tu. Okay, and then you divide with 40 because you have the here the frequency is 40 kat sini kan. 40, so you your 40, and then you need to for each of these data size of your class 3 times 34.4 1 times 44.5 until you have the total number of your fx. Okay, so second you need these two item. Okay, need these two item and slot into your formula. So be careful so the total, the fx will be the above and divide with the 40. So this is your mean of your data. Need to find the median. Okay, the median first you see. So from the cumulative frequency, before you get frequency to determine where is your class. The end with your sample 40 divided with the 2, 20. So 20. So therefore class median is the fourth class. So you refer value of 20 at the cumulative frequency table. Frequency cumulative you jangan frequency, you need to refer to cumulative frequency. After you refer to cumulative frequency, so you need to use the formula the formula to find the median. So the formula LM, the formula dia we have discussed in our class. So you formula just look then class frequency that's why you have the 12. Maknanya kat sini you kena ambil class frequency. Tu berhati-hatilah kelas frekuensi. Kelas frekuensi ni number 10. Maknanya bila you identify your class, it's at the class number 4. So what is your class frequency? So class is okay 12. Mana tadi okay ni divide with 10. Maknanya above. Sorry dia sebelum kelas sebelum 10 tak. Be your class page. Then for your solution for question 5.1, should submit your first you look on your frequency column ni. Okay, you tengok the highest frequency. So higher frequency kat sini we have 10. So when you spot the 10, nombor 10 ni, 10 ni will be your class for mode frequency. Okay, bila you dah kena pasti this is your class okay, class dekat kelas nombor 4 ni, you masukkan formula dia. The formula will be the LMO plus the class before and class after. You kena cari ni, bukan check kelas, bukan ambil nombor 8 dan 7 ni, you kena tolak. Umpamanya kat sini you kena tengok kelas yang sebelum dan kelas yang selepas daripada frekuensi yang highest tu. So sini kalau you lihat the frekuensi yang highest is 10. So the 10 minus 8 kenapa minus 8? ada probability you need to tengok yang stand flat bila buat ilmu untuk then satu lagi you had to find the class boundaries. Jangan guna midpoint, you kena guna class boundaries. Ini satu lagi yang kena cari lah. The class boundaries. The class boundary ni normally akan tengok yang kat sini 39. So the class boundary normally boleh guna macam ni. 69 is your upper akan dapat satu value 0.5. Untuk 0.5 ni you tolakkan dekat yang first lower you dah dapat tadi 0.5. Sebab tu you akan dapat 29.5. Untuk yang upper limit ni, pada upper limit, the 0.5 tu you campurkan. Tu satu lagi lah. Rule of thumb boleh gunakan so for finding the class boundaries. Class boundaries. Okay. And then you have the class boundaries ni. Okay, masukkan class boundary and class width. Your class width equal 30 minus 39, 10 you calculate 10. We look on the, okay, last to find the variant. Variant ni pun we have discussed in our last class. So in variant you need another column. You need to find the value s square and f times the x square. Ini semua dalam exam. Salah, jawapan salah dah. Tengok betul. Okay, so fx square minus the fx, kemudian you square kan the value over the n, lepas tu over the n tolak 1. Kenapa n tolak 1? Because this is sample. Kalau you katalah soalan tu dia nak test, you ni faham ke tak population dengan sample? Katalah saja nak test you, tiba-tiba you guna, dia bagi soalan population, you berguna formula n minus 1, tolak 1 markah. Itulah dia nak test kan, nak test student ni faham tak what is the concept of population and what is the concept of sample. Katalah all the dalam kuasa tu all the tolak satu lah. Kalau dia tak mention kalau dia tak mention population tu, you boleh guna n minus 1. Ni memang sample lah. So n 1. So the 40 set of data minus 1. Okay, masukkanlah kan. Ini. Kemudian untuk fx, kamu tengok kat mana fx punya figure? Kat sini. 189. 189 ni, kalau ada formula ni, you kena squarekan lagi. Okay, and divide with your sample 40. Lepas tu you press on your calculator. Press on value. And your variant is 270. Okay, selalunya variant ni for your variant. Dual places You ambil dah sampai 3 decimal places. Mungkin you ambil 270.55.
Sorry, madam.
Okay. Ya.
Boleh ulang balik sebab tadi...
Dengar tak?
Dengar, tapi boleh ulang
yang
balik
mana?
tak soalan 5? Yang last tu.
Yang mana?
Soalan 5. Sebab tadi...
Soalan 5.
Sebab tadi madam terleave meeting. Jadi suddenly madam come back.
Dah. Soalan ni dapat dah?
Share slide sekali.
Slide pun terputus tadi.
Tadi madam terleave meeting.
We use this is for the group data. For group data, to find the mean. Sama lah dia punya ni. So, kolom frekuensi tu satu. Okay, total of kolom frekuensi. Dan you perlukan total of kolom frekuensi kali dengan you punya midpoint. Kelas mark ni dia panggil midpoint midpoint tu. Okay. Lepas tu ini jumlah untuk yang midpoint kamu ni 27819 kali dengan your frekuensi. Okay, lepas tu you masukkan dalam formula lah. There is a formula for the mean. Check siapa-siapa yang nak buat tu check sama tak jawapan saya, jawapan kamu dengan jawapan yang ada ni. Depan ni terus hantar lah. Okay, kemudian seterusnya you want to find the median. Okay, median ni dalam kelas median ni dekat community frekuensi. Tapi sebelum tu kamu kena cari kat mana nak locate median. Median class frekuensi. Community frekuensi tu. Kemudian you tengoklah masukkan formula median formula median ni we need frekuensi. You need yang kat sini you need the class boundaries. Boundary ni kena check the class boundaries tu. Okay, masukkan semua dalam formula. Okay, nanti the value that you masukkan you ada 40, 59.5, okay, and then plus 40 over 2 minus 12 minus over 22 kali dengan 10, jawapannya you kena dapat 6. Siapa yang nak buat tu? Mungkin silap dekat cumulative you tak buat kan, so bila lah kena buat cumulative dulu. Okay, kemudian after you dapat median class, okay, kemudian pergi kepada class mode. Okay, class mode ni jangan pula guna frekuensi. Class mode ni yang paling highest value dia. Kat sini 10, 10. Okay, so you know that the 10 will determine this is your class for your mode. Okay, so kelas mode kamu ialah kelas nombor 4. Sebab you kena tahu kat mana kelas yang value tu nak usah dalam formula. Tu penting tu. Okay, kemudian go to the formula. Check lah ni. Kan, siapa yang dah buat tu check betul tak yang kamu masukkan. Kamu kena ada 9.5, kemudian 8 10 minus 8 plus dengan 10 minus 7. Lepas tu times 10. Okay, so your jawapan will be 59.
Guys, madam left or what?
So your variance, you tengok jawapan should be 0 and your standard 16 60.44. Okay lah, you get 445 lah. Okay, and then so question number 6, untuk question number 6 ni, doing exam ni, so markah markah. Sample mean and standard deviation of this exam score 85 and 60.1. Okay, dah bagilah, dia dah bagi sampel, tak payah kira lah. Sample mean dia kata okay, daripada sample of this exam scores yang di arrange in accuracy order. Kemudian soalan ni dah bagi tak payah calculate what sample mean sama dengan 85. Kemudian dia punya standard deviation 16.1. So apa yang dia kata, kalau guna Chebyshev rule ni, Chebyshev rule ni, to obtain a lower bound on the percentage of observation that lie within two standard deviation to main answer. Okay, dia say kata dah, maknanya kalau you nak tengok kat sini, rule dia kata 70% of the data will lie between 85 lah, 85 tolak dengan 2, ni formula yang kita tengok kan, sebab dia nak tengok 2 two standard. Kalau two standard, you kena guna formula untuk yang kita dah discuss. Yes, So, your mean, ni mean kau. Ni 85 mean tolak dengan your 2 kali dengan your punya standard deviation. Standard deviation dengan sini 60.1 kalikan. And then satu lagi 85 plus 2 times your 16.1. So, dia dapatlah your kalau ikut rules ni, your data value ni 70%. Data value ni antara markah dia 52.8 dengan 117.2. And use the data to obtain exact percentage of observation that lead in to standard deviation. So you compare dia. Okay. So you can nampak lah 24 observation lie within intervals. Kalau kau tengok kan 25 observation lie within in the interval 52.8 and 2 and 75. So the rules does apply to this data. Nanti you balik tengok boleh. That is the rule of this step by step rule. Okay. Katalah you nak guna pula 3 standard deviation. You punya data between 3.7 3.3 ni you tengok you dengan 25 observation lie within interval 3. Okay, so 89% more, so 100% more than 89. So kita tengok ni, so rules ni does apply to this data. Kan kita tengok kan dalam tu, kamu tengok lebih semula what is the rules. Okay, and then number 7 ni we look on the shape dia macam mana. Okay, given the sample mean dah bagi, so ni dia data, tak perlu cari tak perlu cari, the sample mean dah given, and also the standard deviation of the data pun dah given. Okay, use the empirical rule ni, you nak tengok macam mana the Bell's shape ni. Okay je lah, so maybe kata approximately 88% observation untuk your mean ni, 45.3 or within the interval from 41.1 until 49.46. And 95% observation ni semua guna tadi kan. Dua ni semua formula daripada formula yang 2 kali dengan your standard deviation of the mean of the 45.3 and within of 36.98 to 33.62. Kemudian kalau you nak tengok 99% observation ni within 3. Ni semua formula daripada kita tengok yang tadi di mean and ni. So habislah untuk ni. So observation obtain interpret quotiles. Yang ni saya bagi je answer, lepas tu kamu ni dah. Untuk nombor 8 ni answer kamu kamu check. Kamu kena ada answer untuk Q1 5.25, Q2 10.5, Q3 15.75. Lepas tu your Q1 and Q1, okay, Q2 and Q3. Q2 and 3, and you determine untuk IQR tu your Q3 minus your Q1. Your Q3 minus Q1. So find and interpret the find number summary. Okay, for number 8.3 ni mana soalan dia. Okay, so the answer minimum kami check untuk 8.3 plan tu, answer dia minimum 45. Kemudian Q1 73.5, Q1 79, Q3 80 and 82. Tengok data you lah. Data year 5 number summary. Okay, kemudian you tengok untuk your IQ. Okay, data you kena tengok data you, so you have the lower limit and you have your upper limit. Okay, lower limit and your upper, and you identify which the potential outliers. Okay, kalau ada check macam gini, okey lah jawapan kamu. and you nak construct box plot tu, you tengok adjacent value tu. So semua value yang you ada tu, adjacent value tu daripada you punya yang you dah kira tadi kan, your Q1, your Q3, and then you can and the spot. So finish your tutorial 3. So balik ni tutorial 1 and tutorial 2. So buatlah for your own good lah. For your own good. So I think I will stop here.